How are you? You good?
I'm very fine.
Good to see you.
Asante.
Karibu sana Kitisuru.
Asante. Yeah, say welcome. Yes.
Wanu wako nakunyita ugeni.
Karibu sana guko gwita.
Na hetago Musuva Close.
Na kwa guko gwitagwo Hotani Close.
Hetago?
Hotani Close.
Hotani
Close.
Close.
Adwa Hotani. Winners.
Oh, adwa Hotani. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Ndaiga gucerere.
Asante.
Tondu itocana netie muno. Na tutikoretwo tukiona no. Riu tutiagicamania.
Na woka nginya mucii.
Ndakinya nginya mucii.
Yes.
Na ndoka ngirona kira na guku. He handu na hathaka muno. Shukuru munene muno wi ha mbere. Uretutea?
We have a very big school over here. It's called International School of Kenya.
International School of Kenya. ISK. American system. Hey, okay. So fataire gwika thomere kuo. Kana ciana ciakwa.
Ciana.
Sawa. Tuthie. Good to be here. Nikaribisha tena.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Hey.
Yes, this is Mary's home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mary's Mashonette.
Yes. Mary's Mashonette. Oh, Mary's house.
Mary's house.
Yes.
In Kitisuru.
Yes, yes.
Wah, sasa sijui tuanze wapi. Diwe tu kwa Belieko. Ndona ginya kwina mikorofia. Iho ali ni jodori oi wega.
Maritwa ni muitoi.
Litagwo riri. Litagwo Golden Palm.
Golden Palm.
Yes. I'm lucky to kumenya mahuo maigana ona.
Forestry. You know, I have a sister who did forestry. Na ni athia agitwonagia marita makiriganira.
Mukorofia wote na githungu.
Avocado. Avocado tree.
Avocado tree.
Na riu andu agikoyo tumitaga avocado. Avocado. Ungirora wega ri. The place is very very green. And also very spacious. Koguo ri mundu ona angienda ku host a small party. Ona ndegutinda agietha kundu gwa guthie.
Okay.
They can be able to host down there.
Wow. Is this the first plot from the river?
No, there's also another plot.
Na tondu muramita river na ndiendero na mairi.
A spring.
Oh, it's a spring.
Yes.
It's a seasonal
spring.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Hena mundu ngo wakite haria. So, o ni mugunda mwisho kuma na kienda kana wa keri?
O ni wa keri kuma kienda.
All right.
Tondu hau hena mugunda ungi na riu rui.
All right.
Yes.
Well, that's good. Koguo hena kienda ki haha.
Hena kienda haria thi. Handu mundu agi relax. Kana agikorwo ni ara host visitors. No ekire tent ciake hau.
Oh.
Ona ndagitinda githu ona no muthie na mbere na maundu manyu hau na gutire mundu rathumbuka.
Ginyerete go party after party.
Yes.
No ikiro haha. Rego kuno go party after party.
Yes. Ona the good thing with our neighbors is that we are very friendly. The most important ni ko inform.
Okay.
Mukamera we are hosting.
Nitukuona kanagene kani.
Kanti muno.
Kama ona gikiro birthday.
Na magagwitekeria.
Ni muceranagira
muno.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we are a good, the neighborhood is very good. In expatriates, na most of them are homeowners.
Okay.
So it's a good neighborhood.
Wow. Let me ask you a question. Mugunda one size igana atia?
This is more than half an acre. Slightly more than half an acre.
Okay. Haya, na ndona twena thutha.
This is now all the back of the house.
Okay.
Na kuri andu mangikirutira wira wa guthambia nguo.
Okay.
And the rest of the cleaning. And
koguo mahura nguo manikaga haha.
Riu manikaga mwena ucio. Na
no handu ngihumuka still.
Na ni handu riu andu mangihuruka still.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
So I have a few.
We have German.
Germany, these ones are not German, they are hybrid.
Okay.
But the Germans are coming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but they are also very serious. Nike tutagiamba gucihingurira tondu
Nigure hethina.
Do you know menya you're strangers? Koguo ona korwo ndiri haha no inegene.
Ndingimenya twi nawe?
Riu twina tondu riu ni ndi haha nikio kirite.
Okay.
Otherwise it would ne singiara karoro riu.
Okay. Ici nicio ndaiguire ingikua ndithikagwo uguo ta ici ingi.
No. Ni hagio no kona mini service ka undu ta. Riu no amenya no gukigwa uru uri ungigwa uru.
What do you mean by mini service?
Ikukiuga riu ni yathie, you know.
Koguo nĩ mũgĩkaga ceremony o kanini.
Ni na riu kira tutamenya ni riri. No me mundu akiragwo riu awekwe mali pema peponi. Weri ni kire ya thina. Riu tutimenyaga matwaragwo ko.
Hau peponi niho harihaga thina.
Riu tucio ithiaga ku.
Ni ibatara muhunjie hindi o murekaga service kau.
Riu tigugika ithui.
Okay. Aithuru.
So this is the one I was telling you is a very nice, also quite spacious and very cool.
Okay. Koguo no wikire igongona haha.
Haha ri no wikire tent. Na wikire igongona.
Okay.
Na ukorwo wina party yaku hau uguo. And very cool. Ona ndukubatara ringi too many things tondu it's also very, the shade is okay.
Okay. Wow. Ni handu cool.
Yeah.
Hena karuhuho.
Yes.
Hena karera koimite na keto ka ambience.
Yes.
Karuima na kianda.
Kuma na kianda. Na tondu wa mitiri. People will not see you from the other side. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ha, tukiumira nigetha riu unjerie mucie.
No, not to the.
How many bedroom is the mansion?
The house is 6 bedroom. 5 of them are en suite.
5 of them are completely en suite.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So this is my home.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mary's home.
Yeah. So this is where you land. Ukaboga kiona itawa riu, which makes the place bright.
Lilita gotea?
It's an LED chandelier.
Okay.
Yes.
Nilio rirakaribisha mugeni akija.
Nilio rirakaribisha mugeni. Yes.
Okay. Riu tuima haha tukwambĩrĩria
sitting room.
Okay. Ngoria.
So welcome to our sitting room. Riu haha niho tukoragwo na andu magioka gucera. And if you have to have a word na ku relax, this is where we stay.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you have noticed that in a TV. So that people can take care of.
Niki kihagite TV niki na ithuĩ sitting room citũ ciothe ciĩna TV.
Ni tondu ni turenda mugie na conversation. Nini?
I didn't know.
Nigetha wabatara kuona TV specifically. Nduguthi haria hena TV.
Koguo he haria hena TV.
He handu he TV.
Koguo TV they meant for sitting room.
No.
My lord.
TV yagĩrĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo ĩ handũ special. Rĩu haha ũikare thĩ. Mutere tange. Kana mukine muhoe mwike fellowship. Things like that.
Okay. Ndona hena.
You can see the type of light.
Okay.
We also have the dimming lights.
All right. I think you can walk.
You can be able to control. And then wagikorwo wina kaka studio kanini murenda kwaria muriere muteguthumbura andu angi. Riu ni gukuhuruke haha uguo. Uguo
ari angi me kuria.
Riu ungikohe kaundu kwendaga gukwira. Okay. Just me and you. Acio angi makiaragia riu no twariria haha. Okay. Twarikia riu tucoke to join. The rest of the.
Kana rigi ka assignment tureka haha uguo.
Ka biashara.
Mathabu tureka.
Tucoke riu tuthie.
Okay.
Tuthie mwena ucio ungi.
All right. Why do you prefer the wooden table?
They are beautiful.
Looks very beautiful.
And then they also last. They last and last and last.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it waterproof?
It is also waterproof.
Okay. All right.
No, Mary, swimming pool.
Yeah, because it seems it has a kind of like a coat.
It has a very good coat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. That is a sitting room.
So, mwetirwo tuirio. Of course.
Maybe before tuthiete haria he dining.
Yeah.
Ndona hena fireplace.
A fireplace.
But now before the fireplace.
Yeah.
Hena handu hega ha kuiga
ungikorwo wina trophies. No one.
Yes. So we have called the fireplace.
We have the fireplace. Nigetha kungihe hari. no wikire tukuharia.
Okay.
And then you have the room.
Oh.
Yes. Here you have the dining.
Yes.
The dining ogrora, it can fit up to an 8. It's an 8-seater.
Oh, it's an 8-seater.
But even with room for more.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. And which then opens to the kitchen.
Is this what we call the open kitchen?
This is partly open.
Okay.
You can see part of the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
But it is not the one. The ones which are open, kitchen completely open. The dining room na kitchen nitainyitanite.
Okay.
No ino ukoragwo tu, it's that if you want to talk to someone we mwena wa riko ni mukwaria nake na ni mukuhota kwaraniria.
All right.
Yes. No gonie our kitchen. This is our kitchen. As you can see, it is quite spacious.
Yes.
Mundu endete kuruga, mundu urenda kundu kwina space.
This is
it's a whole 6
with an oven.
With an oven, a big oven.
All right.
And there is even room for more.
Oh, yeah.
Again, mundu angikwarenda air 8.
No So we have a lot of kitchen cabinets.
Enough, you cannot get enough of it.
Okay.
You can see, you can put everything you want to put in the various places. So you have a lot of space.
Okay.
You can be able to put the fatara.
Wow, we have a fridge.
Yes.
A very big fridge.
We do ginya tuikare andu makimenyaga
ino kale iria ndaiguire ciraria he hondo na TV ne ciraria. Do you exactly ciugaga atia no he ndonete TV ne kiaria no ni hana kwaria
ino ndiaragia no
ni fataire
ni gukuhe ice iria urenda tari gukorana kwa ice ni gukunengereria hau.
Oh, okay.
That is the idea.
No nigwa ni ranengereria mundu ko no teraria ibi ore rutira ni gukunengereria.
So you have all this space. So when someone is cooking, either kana kwenda kuheana irio ciake acigirire haha nicely.
And we still have some more cabinets down there.
Na cabinets ingi bado mwena uyu, and there are also drawers.
Okay.
Ni ndu wa gwikira indo ta iciko. So it is a beautifully spacious place.
Okay.
Then
we have a store.
We have a small store ya kuiga indo iria riu akonita wauma ndikwirie ni magabebe.
Yeah.
Na mariko.
Oh.
So this is where we keep it.
Okay.
And this is the pantry.
All right.
So riu haha niho tukihuragira nguo. You can put your washing machine over here.
Okay.
Nigetha riu warikia kuhura nguo ndugugitwara hau nja nigetha wanike.
Oh, na ha thutha ha kwanika nguo.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it is well wired.
Okay.
Ginya mai, ginya mahiu na mahehu.
Wow.
So that now everything, when you bring in your washing machine, you just fit it.
Good.
Yes.
Pantry. Twarikia toima riko, twathie sitting room, twathie dining, twathie kitchen, tuka kwa kuhurira nguo. Where are we heading to?
Twathie guest room.
Guest room.
Yes.
That is now
still
the first.
On the first floor.
Oh, it's still
ground.
Okay.
So this is one of the bedrooms.
Okay.
Which is also en suite. As you can see.
You say the guest room.
This is the guest room.
Okay.
Yeah. So when someone comes, this is where I host one of my guests.
Oh, okay.
Mugeni okagushera. Ugakimuhe ahuruke haha.
All right.
And as you can see, it has a good cabinets. Na ina kuduwa with kirina bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
And it's so spacious actually. The bathroom is very spacious.
Yes, it's very spacious.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Just some few.
That one is, yeah.
Innovations.
Innovations to be done.
Okay. So we are now going upstairs.
We are going to the first floor.
Okay.
Yeah. This is one of the bedrooms.
Okay.
This is the only one that is not en suite.
Okay.
But it's also quite spacious, as you can
Whose
see.
bedroom is this?
This is Joshua's.
Joshua, the young boy.
The young boy.
Oh, the young gopher.
Who is now going to go to high school in September.
Okay.
But as you can see...
So it will be vacant immediately he moves out?
Yeah, he will be coming maybe once for the holiday.
Oh.
But the rest will not even be coming anytime. They are going to be staying there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Right. So this is as you can see, it's very spacious. It has a good place where he can study.
Okay.
And the different where he can put his things.
Okay.
He can put his clothes and everything. And then also additional space up there.
Okay, for the wardrobe.
Yeah, you can see also because of the 3 windows, you have very good natural light.
Oh,
yeah, you
the
don't
light
need
circulation is very nice.
Yes, you don't need the circulation is fantastic.
Okay.
This is the second bedroom. No, I already showed you 2. So this is the third bedroom.
The one for
I showed you the guest room. Then I showed you the other smaller one that is not en suite.
For the young boy.
For the young boy.
You're sure.
But then now you have the third bedroom.
Okay.
This is way more spacious than the other one, as you can see. And then also enough room for for clothes.
This is for who?
This is for the big young man. His name is Daniel.
For the firstborn.
My firstborn, who is a worshiper.
This is very spacious.
Yes.
It's almost twice the
size
boys.
of the other one, yes.
Yeah.
This one is very, in fact, as you can see, he's able to have his own, a place to study.
So right from the wardrobes.
From the wardrobes.
To the size of the bed.
To a place
this
where
is almost king size.
Exactly. It's almost. It's actually a king size bed.
It's 5 by 6 or 6 by 6?
It's a 6 by 6.
Oh, this is king size.
It's a king size bed and living space. Big space on this side, as you can see. And at the same time, also still a lot of space on that side.
Okay.
Yeah. So
this is it still?
This is en suite.
En suite.
Yeah. As you can see, it has a very spacious.
Okay, very spacious
bathroom, which you can,
Wow, this is
this is the
Madam Boss house.
Master's bedroom.
Madam Boss.
I don't know why they call the master, because I'll just say this is my bedroom.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's very spacious. Someone can be able to see. You can basically put as a big 6 by 6 and still find the small space.
This is 6 by 6.
These are 6 by 6.
Okay.
But because of the size of the room,
I'm
sure it's looking like it's a small bed compared to the place.
Because the room is now big.
Because the room is quite big, it also almost shows like the room is,
And even the circulation of light is quite friendly.
Circulation.
Because of the balcony. There's a balcony over there.
So now you can also see in terms of the storage, we have all this.
Okay.
In your own quiet, when you're in the bedroom, if you don't want to be disturbed, but you still want to relax outside, you can come and then you can come and relax over
By the way, is the gate connected with the alarm system?
Yes, yes.
That when somebody presses from outside, you are able to hear the sound from your bedroom?
Definitely. Yes, yes, yes.
And then you're able to come in?
You can be able to see.
Okay.
And even other people will be able to hear.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the, what do we normally call it? The dressing room.
Closet, they do.
Closet. So closet, nere koragwo, it opens like the different.
Okay.
Like tari were ya koro e hahari. Igito open closet.
Okay.
But this can also be called a dressing room.
Okay.
Toduru ha niho guka we maguta maku. And you can be able to put your things, and there's all additional storage you'll be able to see.
All right.
Yeah.
Then we have
the master bedrooms, also en suite.
Okay.
With a big bathtub. Yeah.
So you have to go there. You have no choice.
No, you
Every
have to go
single
there.
day you have to go there.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's enjoyable to do that.
Alone? Okay. Forget about it. Forget about it.
So this is the study room, or a small office.
Okay.
If someone wanted to make even a bigger room, of the study.
Okay.
They can have that as a full continuation.
Oh.
You wanna?
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So you can extend.
You can extend.
Okay.
So this one, 5 years ago, or even how Berehanini, this is where my children were playing.
Oh.
They would come, they put their toys over here, they play. No, they don't animakine na hire.
Taici nĩ marorete nĩ ũramaingata kana nĩ marakũingata? Actually nĩ marakũingata. That is why you want to move out.
We don't need this place. I'm putting a flower now.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. Now we are heading to the third floor or the attic.
Second floor.
The second floor, yes. Sorry. The second floor. That is now the attic. So this is the attic. No akiona uko njuritie kuria TV ri.
Oh, okay. So these are an upper sitting room.
This is the upper sitting room.
Ya kuirora TV na kina games.
You can now put your music, koro you like.
Okay.
Iria tuga boom twaf. Inegene.
Wow. Na no kwa Wi-Fi router na do ciothe ire.
That is where the Wi-Fi.
Nobody mentioned about the tiles.
Oh, the floor.
Yes.
Yes. So
what kind of a floor is this?
Actually, apart from the study, all the other rooms, they have wooden floor.
Oh, this is wooden floor. Yes. Apart from?
Just the study.
Okay.
You should get you there.
What is the advantage of having a wooden floor?
A wooden floor is warm. Oh, and also, it is very, very long lasting.
Okay.
You can see how they look. You just polish once in a while.
Let me try and see.
Yeah, it is warm.
It's very warm.
You don't feel cold. You can walk barefoot.
And waterproof.
And it's also, because it has varnish, it's waterproof. It's not encouraged. No, that cannot happen.
All right.
Yeah. This is the one open balcony that we have.
Okay.
And as you can see here, we have put a machine to do a bit of weightlifting.
Is it working?
I don't know if it is working. I think my son has been using it, actually. But
oh.
Yeah, but it's working.
Okay.
No, Hey. Okay, menyerere ndukae guturwo ni githuri.
Yes. So it's working.
Yes, it is working.
Na no ongerere kangi na mahiga na ki.
Yes. Na haha nona you can see the view.
All right. Dikana igwa ka breeze. Kega muno kahehu.
Riu haha
karoima na ni oxygen ituganite na ka breeze.
Ni uraguthia uragukwira gohoro wa oxygen quality. He kindu ihutagia thiini wa brain. Itagwo riri. Creative juices.
Oh.
Riu ugakora there's a beautiful idea. Yoka mutu o rimwe utangireciiririe korwo urari handu hena rukungu nona gori. Ukaigwa ni yoka idea imwe njega muno.
Ko ni hega ha ku develop ideas.
To think about ideas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Koguo no tugeterere ga space ka
meditate.
Iga meditate.
Exactly.
Na dole innovatively gwicene handu hega ha guikara ha gwiciriria. Ugoka na ki idea gigathitura bururi. Andu makarigwa atiriri areci nuhoro ucio ri areciriria atia. Wow.
Yeah.
The most interesting part ona ti goka kugura nyumba eno ta guikara Kitisuru.
The neighborhood is fantastic. The neighborhood is fantastic.
Gutiri kindu kiega ta guikara handu hahoreru, handu taranegenerwo, handu takaigwa power show, gwitukira ukaigwa power show. Karibuka.
Na ndukubatara guthio na kunginya na kuri Muru. You are about 15 minutes from Westlands. Yeah. So you're almost within the city, but in a very quiet place.
Village market is also a quiet environment.
Exactly.
Na sherani guthie guthaka ho.
It's 15 minutes.
Actually, I saw a mall. Na murakiro mall haha. Iretwa atia?
No, iretwa atiriri. Kitisuru Mall, not Kitisuru Mall. Ena karetwa kage hau gatagati, but it is Kitisuru Mall.
Okay.
Which you can walk to.
You can do your shopping. I'm sure there's a grocery.
There's a supermarket there.
There must be a grocery. Okay.
Small supermarket. Yeah.
Koguo wewe da wikara Kitisuru. By the way, for your information, no uke wige family yaku guku, no uke urutire project yaku guku. Kuri andu mendaga kurutira ma project mao mucii. Those people who are working in embassies. Kuma mabũrũri ma nanja na Kenya, no ugure wi mucii waku. Ucoke renovate kuringana na kirathi kiria ungienda. Uke wikare haha. I'm telling you, I've walked to so many places. I've been into Karen, I've been into Runda, but this place is an amazing place. Ni undu wa miti miingi. I love the neighborhood.
The neighborhood is very good.
Na ona haha ho henyewe ni heikaritie wega.
Ni hakirite wega.
Yes. Being on have an acre. Yeah. It's so nice. Let me hope the price is negotiable.
The price is negotiable.
Because you're dealing direct with the owner.
You're dealing directly with the owner. So I'm sure through Farodi, you'll be able to get in touch with me.
Okay.
Then nitoko hota ko negotiate.
Whether it's cash, whether it's installment,
nitoko discuss.
About the price.
We can discuss.
And so many other things that you need to know.
Details. Yes. Yeah.
So all I can assure you, Mary is a good person. She's the owner. She's so friendly.
We have stayed here for 13 years.
Yes.
I can tell you they will be blessed. Yeah.
No uke ongerere miti yaku, no weherie ire utarenda. Taume ko ndone itatu no weherie rĩngĩ ũmwe tigia ĩrĩ.
Ũmwe acenjie rangi ya nyũmba ngĩkorwo nĩ nyũmba ya grey.
Ũmĩthondeke ũrĩa ũkũigua ũkĩenda gũtũũra gũkũ. It's so unfortunate atĩ ndingĩthũra gũikara gũkũ. Tondũ so, but tigeti hani ginye.
Just like this. Na kengai waku naigua neigua.
Ona Ruto ndwene gatuika president.
Ona neigua ona ngai waku aigua tha icio ogo.
Ndukire ndireka ngiraga tĩri wa gũkũ no ndĩrathiĩ ngĩaragia. O tũkĩaragia ndũngĩmenya.
Ndũngĩmenya ũrathiĩ ũkĩdeclare. Yeah, okay.
Koguo nyũmba ĩno ĩkomeire half an acre land. Na tugire the International School of Kenya. It's just 5 minutes from here. 5
minutes from here.
You can actually walk to the school.
You can walk to the school. Even the Peponi school is also here 10 minutes. And a very safe place. Very, very safe.
By the security wise?
We have no problem.
Okay.
We don't have a problem. And the reason for that is also because of the type of people who live around here.
Okay.
Like I said, we have international community. And also different type of corporate people. Security is something we take very seriously.
Water?
Water is no problem at all. You cannot name because of the slope. Ona tukeigua ndo makiannounce ati Nairobi gutire mai.
Manyu makinya haria makaharũrũka.
Magoka magiukaga itugo to priority one.
There's a very nice slope upwards here haria tuikũrũkĩire.
We don't have any water problems.
Okay.
At all. Ona tikwĩyugithia. Here we don't have water problems.
Okay.
And also we don't have flooding problems.
Okay.
Tutire mathĩna mati.
By the way, ũrĩa mũgũnda ũgĩikarĩte, you can never experience flooding.
Any issues of flooding.
Okay. Good. Koguo iko ina family nene no yoke ikare guku. Okorwo ni urenda ukawikira project ciaku guku, maybe
no go we muhindi. People who like to take these places, makoya rege a big office.
Okay.
They can also do that. I've seen people who do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
To nginya ko mu Kenya, ko muhindi, mu China,
anybody.
Mundu wothe. So, if you want to live in Kenya, please choose Kitisuru. And if you want to live in Kitisuru, Mary's house, talk to Mary. We will share the email, the contacts, and everything. Nigetha na umuhurire direct utekubatara kuhurira. Ugenda kuhurira ni okay, need to consult anything. But if you want to talk to Mary direct, she's here.
Talk to me.
She'll be available for that.
Thank you.
Mary, I'm happy.
Thank you so much for coming.
Ndakena turi nambia kugena to tips to akire ingenda gwaka. I'm sure nyumba ino ni irite mbeca nyingi muno kumiiga ogwe hana.
Maintain.
13 years later no irugamite.
We have tried to take good care of it. Na ni ndona ndo wanjiriria ko develop interest ya golf.
Yes. By the way, ngeikara guku ri, most of residents here are golfers. They are in one of the biggest golf courses like Sigona, Modaiga,
is just here.
Karen.
You know?
So once you're here, you have to develop the interest. You have no choice.
You have to learn some of those things.
Of course, yes.
Or others. Yeah.
So, karibuni Kitisuru.